How to move Google Photos to another account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Photos. Simply select all the pictures, then click on Share button located at top right beside plus button. After you click on Share button, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Create Link at the bottom left. Then click on Create Link again. After that, simply click on Copy and copy the link and send it to the another ID or a person. After that person opens the link, it will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three dots on top right corner of your screen. And then you'll find all these options pop up. Click on Download All. And the person will be able to download all or simply edit album or set album. After they're done, simply you can select the pictures from the previous account and delete all. And this is how to move Google Photos to another account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.